Commercial and industrial marketers of power and gas at a retail energy provider required a tool to generate multiple contracts that were compliant with legal requirements, but at high velocity and on demand while on the road. The template-based contract generation tools built using the Energiewerks Ensights toolkit is one component of the C&I toolkit used by these marketers. The Insights Toolkit is a loosely coupled and highly cohesive set of tools used to acquire, prepare, and store data, analyze and visualize this data, and disseminate results to various stakeholders. These tools work together in a workflow. These workflows can run autonomously on a scheduler or can be triggered by an event or manual stimulus from an end user. The template-based contract generation application is an extension of the Insights Toolkit. It is used to generate template-based contracts compliant with the legal department's requirements. As part of the larger C&I toolkit, the marketers or aggregators can generate contracts as required using a web-based application. This enables them to have the deal terms sent to them via email in a Word document so that they can provide the customer with desired contracts on demand and in a manner compliant with legal contracts at the firm. So what is the template-based contract generation and how is it used within the C&I process? Marketers and structuring work in conjunction with each other to structure various deals for commercial and industrial customers. These may be stock products that the retail energy provider sells tied to a monthly gas index, full requirements, and various other deal types for both gas and power. The originator or marketer has a list of meters and associated loads. These loads are used for structuring to price deals such as fixed price deals, gas index linked deals, capacity energy, and the like. The structurer uses the customer's load profile, combines it with prices and the most efficient or requested product structure, and prices the deals for various tenors. An example would be a fast food chain requesting a fixed price deal for 40 fast food outlets in the Houston area and requesting a fixed price quote over the next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, up to 5 years. There are several steps that occur to come up with the structure and the price for the deal. In this presentation, that is a black box represented in the C&I deal structuring process. The output of that process is a set of contract variables, one for each tenor requested. These variables are incorporated into the contract that the marketer presents to the customer. The legal product development and marketing department of the retail energy provider generates a Word document that covers the legalese and the deal structure. This template is instrumented using user-defined composite variable names. This template is then stored on a share accessible to Insights. Separately, the variable list is presented to the contract generation tools in the form of a set of name-value pairs. The contract generation tool substitutes the values from the name-value pairs into the contract template and generates a Word doc that the marketer can use to present the deal to the customer. In one implementation at a retail energy provider, separate contract documents are generated by pairing multiple sets of variables with the identified template. This process is initiated by the marketer via a web application. The documents are sent to the marketer in the field in real time via email so that the marketer can present the deal to the customer. In the next 3 slides, I'm going to walk through the simple tasks of configuring a template to work with the Energy Insights contract generation tool, and then detail out how the contracts are generated. This slide takes a snippet of a Word document generated by the product manager, legal department, and marketer for a C&I product. This Word document could be terms of an existing deal that is used as a template. The Word document is instrumented with variables. Each entry is substituted with the variable name enclosed in double curly brackets. The variable between the curly brackets is matched to the dataset provided in a later step. The template is saved to the templates folder on a share accessible by the contract generation tool. This is a snippet of the name-value pairs of variables and their associated values that are needed to populate the template created in the previous slide. The file name and location of the template is sent to the contract generation tool along with these name-value pairs for all or some of the variables in the template. The contract generation tool will match the name-value pairs to the placeholders in the Word document. The generated document will be saved to the location specified by the end user. In a specific use case for a retail energy provider, this generated document was sent to the marketer in the field via Ensights Dropbox integration and an email link sent via email. This slide shows the generated document. The variables in the template are substituted with the corresponding variable values. There is no restriction on the number of templates and variables that can be passed to the tool. The tool has been wrapped in a web service. Various other deployment methods are available. In summary, the contract generation application is an add-on to the basic Energiewerks Ensights platform. It consumes user-defined templates and user-defined data in the form of name-value pairs. The tool then merges the name-value pairs into the template and generates a Word document. In the C&I use case, marketers can work with this Word document to present it to the customers while in the field. They can trigger the generation of the document if the contract management tool is exposed via a web application. The document is then stored on Dropbox and a link emailed to the marketer. More information about the template-based contract generation tools and the Energiewerks Ensights platform are available at https://www.energiewerks.com.